Because I think there is an archaic place in each of us that wishes to be possessed. There's an archaic place that wishes healing, perhaps quite legitimately. There is an archaic place that wants a quick fix, a rapid solution, a kind of resolution of the difficulties of life. Probably there's a very archaic place that we would be, most of the time, unconscious and probably wouldn't be willing to talk about very much in any case, that says, I'm really looking for someone to sort of take over this life for me because it's very difficult, you know. And if I can find the right person, it will be better. I will feel empowered, nurtured, protected, comforted, and so forth. And I don't fault that place in the psyche. That's a legacy of our human condition, of our vulnerability, of our utter dependency in childhood. And it certainly evokes the archaic imagos of the parent. And yet none of us would willingly say, I'm projecting the parent imago onto you. I mean, even to say that is to become conscious of it at the moment. And yet, is there a time when that's not at work? Is there a time, in the words of Walt Whitman, is there a time when Dark Mother is not near, padding by on soft, silent feet? And Father is present in the room as well. Probably never such a time. And never more the case than in the case of intimate relationship, because it is that which most evokes our whole psychological history.